Welcome to Worth It Repairs by Mark, and today we're doing a tech tale. I'm showing you a iPhone 13 Pro data recovery. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see if it's getting any amps here. And if you look in the blue, it looks like it's getting amps. So we'll go ahead and remove the two P2 screws from the bottom, and then we'll heat up the screen to be too hot to touch. I do 80 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and then it's too hot to touch. And then you can start prying off the screen with your metal pry tool. Says the screen's already broken, and we don't care if it's gonna break more, because we're gonna put a new one on it to do a data recovery here. Let's get this thing pried off, and then we can get on with the repair. All right, we'll use our Y000 screwdriver and unscrew the screws holding down the screen and the battery connection, and then same goes for the proximity sensor connection. We'll first disconnect the battery like always, and then we'll disconnect the screen, and then we will work our way to the proximity sensor, and we'll also use a PH000 screwdriver to remove those screws as well. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. This is going to be a short one for you because it's a quick data recovery where I just need to remove the battery because it's all beat up already because of the back glass is so shattered. It fell off a 2-story building or something like that. And we'll use some alcohol, and it's soaking it up right now. It has a little bit of acetone mixed with it to help break the adhesive free, and you'll just use a plastic smudger to lift it up, and then you can get the battery out, and then we'll want to get a new screen and a new battery to make sure it works. Since it was pulling amps, the charge port is definitely working, so we'll just go ahead and grab another screen. Let's get the battery laid in there. We're not going to pull the adhesive off the back. We don't want to adhere it to the phone because we want to take it out. And we'll connect the screen. And once you get it all connected, you'll need to grab a charger and plug it in for it to boot up. Connected to the charger here. It looks like it's turning on. Got a screen dim. All right, turned on. And it doesn't look like it's charging, and that's not good. We could try a new charge port, but let's just try connecting on a computer. We got 4,000 photos here. It is syncing it, so it's definitely connecting to the computer. So we're going to restore it to our MacBook here and double check and make sure it backed it up. Boom, we got it. It's worth it.